Titanes have this hand sanitizer, and then they're going to sell it. And
I'm gonna eat now.
So I'm going to take this cranberry. I'm going to give it on my teeth first, and then take the other one and smell it.
Masarap sa konti siyang gusto.
It is very, very sweet. So I'm going to smell this sexy baby or body. Yeah, baby. Smell, but this is the most brave smell. This is a little bit brave. And then this orange color is the orange scent. Let me smell it. It is very, very orange. And then this yellow is the peach scent. So it smells sweet. There are different kind of color. There's a yellow.
Yun, alam ko na. Heartburn pala yun, yung nararamdaman ko lagi sa gabi. Ako din, may ganun eh.
Then this, they have
Oo, tapos
yellow, orange, pink, and blue.
burp ako ng burp. Yeah. Panggagas ko nito.
I think this is pink, it's violet.
Ha? Yun lang naman ang gamot sa heartburn.
Like on the front of internet.
Kung kailan pa naman madaling araw na, yung sarap matulog. Ganun ako.
This is the cranberry. This is my favorite hand sanitizer because it's pink and smells good, and the gel is very, very pink.
Leo, kakain pa?
A little bit favorite is this orange, the orange scent, and then cranberry. This is my favorite hand sanitizer. This is cranberry, and they're going to sell it next month, next week, or next year. I don't know. And then this orange is these two. All of these colors are my favorite colors.
Mag-order ako ng bunga. Bago, no? Hindi niya pa napakaganda.
All of these sets.
Ay, mga picture.
Wait, I'm going to swap this.
Kung bumili din daw yung isa.
Then,
kaya nabaan ko na lang.
all of these are 8, but I take the one, and then it is 7. They're watching something left screen.
Masarap ko kung super lamig.
Saan?
Super lamig. Freezer namin.
My mother's birthday.
Dala ka bukas yan.
So,
hindi na ma-inferior. Hindi ba may kasabihan? Ilang oras lang na. Ay, maaga. Punta pa kasi ako pa. Pupunta ako pa. Puno mo muna yung bag.
I'm going to read this or what is trick law gel hand sanitizer with thick lotion and moisturizer, cranberry scent. killer germs without washing and softens your hands.
Ang laki-laki na brain mo, magkaroon lang, ba't walang pangalan?
They're seeing messages.
Nasa labas lang. Nasa labas kasi yung mga ano
I
nila.
think this is 50
Doon yan,
ml.
kung alam na may kung
I don't think
para sa labas yung to.
there are different kind of color.
Tapos pag diniretso mo yun, puro kainan pa.
It is
Alam mo, nakapunta na ako dati doon. Pero hindi ko na alam kung paano ulit. Kasi tinanong ko dito
So,
okay na yung finger cake.
I want
Let's celebrate!
first
Dalan nga daw. Ano? Dalan daw.
I first get this yellow. I don't expect the little bit small bad smelly. And I use this pink one because it's really smell beautiful smell. She's going to sell that
Pa nga yung vibe, ay yung gray.
pink like the Farmville, like this Farmville there. She's going to sell it next year, next week, next month. So